Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this Sesame Street Egg Hunt 6-pack. It comes with 6 egg surprises. So let's open this package and check it out. Let's see what we have in this first egg surprise. We got Elmo. He has roller skates on. Green egg. And we have Cookie Monster. Wow, this Cookie Monster is all dressed up. Yellow egg. We have Big Bird. Here's the pink egg surprise. Now the other yellow egg. We just got Ernie. And the last egg surprise is another purple egg. Is exactly the same as the first egg surprise. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more egg surprises right here on Disney Collector.